Greetings, y'all. Today we'll be making a candy corn crochet plush. For this candy corn plush, I use worsted weight yarn in 3 colors, a 3.25mm hook, stitch marker, scissors, yarn needle, 9mm safety eyes, black embroidery floss, and stuff. Please note you'll already need to be comfortable with making color changes and invisible decreases. To start, you're going to create a magic ring and then make a little slip knot. And now you're going to make 6 single crochet. Now add your stitch marker, and in each of those 6 single crochet you're going to increase. So you're going to make 2 single crochet in each of those stitches, and at the end of the second round you should have 12 single crochet stitches. For the third round, you're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch. Then you're going to increase in the second stitch. You're going to alternate doing a single crochet and an increase until the end of this round. You should have a total of 18 stitches by the end of this round. On this fourth round, you're going to single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then you're going to make an increase in the third stitch. Then single crochet, and increase. You're going to repeat this pattern for the entire round, and you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this fourth round. Now for the fifth round, you're going to make 3 single crochet in the first 3 stitches, and then you'll increase. And again, you'll repeat this pattern for the entire round. And you should have a total of 30 stitches. And this is the maximum number of stitches you'll be doing per round. After this, we'll start decreasing the number. On the 6th round, we're going to make a single crochet, but only in the front loops of each stitch. And I apologize for zooming in a little too much at the beginning of this video, but you're just making a single crochet in the front loop. For rounds 7 and 8, you will make a single crochet in each stitch for both rounds, and your stitch count should be still 30. This is round 9. It's the last round we'll be using the yellow, or your first color. What you're going to do is make 3 single crochet, and then you're going to make an invisible decrease. And you'll repeat this pattern for the entire round. And your final number of stitches should be 24. And at the end of this round, you're going to change to your second color. There are a lot of great color change tutorials on YouTube. This just happens to be my little weird way of doing it. It works. I'm sure there are neater versions out there. I'll just do a little slip stitch to add on my new color. Then I make a single crochet. That's going to be my first stitch of the round. And this is round 10. And we're going to crochet in each stitch. To have a total number of 24 stitches for this round. For round 11, you're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch and again in the second stitch, and then you'll do an invisible decrease, and you'll repeat this pattern for the entire round, and your final stitch count should be 18. Before we go on to the next round, add your safety eyes. Place them 6 stitches apart between rounds 7 and 8. And then you're going to add a smiling face with some embroidery floss if you like. Or you can also use yarn. And that'll be on round 7. And I like to make my smiles, they're about 4 stitches apart. Now we're on round 12, and we're going to crochet in each stitch. And we're going to do the same thing for the next round, round 13. So before we start round 14, we're going to make our last color change. I'm adding my yarn with a slip stitch, and I'm about to crochet in the first stitch for round 14. For this round, the pattern will be you make a single crochet, and then in the next stitch you make an invisible decrease. And you make a single crochet and then another invisible decrease. And once you finish round 14, you should have 12. Round 16, we're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to do an invisible decrease. And we'll continue with doing a single crochet in one stitch and then doing an invisible decrease for the entire round. Round 17, you're making a single crochet in each stitch. For the final round, we decrease in each stitch, and then fasten off and sew in the ends. Of course, you can add more polyfill if you need to. And here's the finished candy corn. And that's turtлекins. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have fun creating your own candy corn.